It's your boy Trey Dub, and welcome to Clones TV. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Like, comment, and share. Let's go. Man, whew. I can't believe your boy got him. I can't believe your boy got the Jordan 11 Retro DMP Gratitude right here on the table. Man, it's going down. Now, I already put out a video. My partner hit on the shock drop on Nike Snkrs app, and unfortunately I didn't. But I got these exclusive access. I can't complain because I still got them early. All right, let's go. Man, these are nice. These are nice. Look at that. I mean, the person that they hit different, man. Like y'all looking at them right now, got to see these in person. You got to see these in person. Salute to everybody that got them early, man. I think everybody gonna be okay. I think they're gonna make a lot of these shoes. And even if you don't get them, you can go to StockX. I think the resale value on these are gonna be below $250 when they come out. So I think everybody's gonna be fine, man. These are a must cop. You got to get these in your collection, man. These are dope. These are dope. Now, they set to release December the 9th, 2023. That's right around the corner, y'all. So go and get your raffle in. If you haven't, go and get ready, man, because this is a must cop. I gotta say, these are top 3 sneakers of the year. Top 3. Y'all decide the other 2, but top 3 right here. Now, let's look at the shoe. If you look at the upper, look how smooth that leather is, man. Way different than the Concords. And you got your black patent leather wrapped all around the shoe with your metallic gold Jumpman in the back with that gold 2-3 in the back of the shoe. All right. Now let's look at the bottom of the shoe. You got your Jumpman, your translucent bottom. Now your boy got the Concords. Let's go ahead and compare these to the Concords and see what they look like. Now, one thing about the Concords I like, they come with a shoe tree. See that? Concord color shoe tree. But the Gratitude have no shoe tree, just got this paper in here. Look at that. They cheaped out on us on this, man. But I ain't tripping, it is what it is though. But if you look at the Concords compared to the Gratitude, look at the upper on the Concord. The material is totally different. What material y'all like better on the upper, the Concords or the Gratitude? I don't know. I think I really don't know. But I know one thing though, the Concord upper, ooh, it's yellow. Damn. I think I'm gonna go with the Gratitude because if you waste something on the Gratitudes, it's more easier to clean off compared to the Concord. So I'm gonna go with the Gratitude. Gratitude have a better upper and looks better too. Now, if you look at the Jumpman in the back, we already know which one better. It's gonna be this one right here, the Gratitude. Gratitude got that metallic gold Jumpman, and right here you have Jumpman, but it's stitched though. But man, we going with the gold metallic. And then you got your 45 right there, and you got your 2-3 right here. And I'm gonna be honest with you, really don't matter on this one. Maybe the 2-3 look better, but I don't know. It is what it is with that. And then we got to get to the bottom of the shoe. All right, let me show y'all my other Jordan 11s. Now, these are all the Jordan 11. These are all the Jordan 11s I have. I'm not gonna show you the low top because a lot of people don't like the lows, man. So we're gonna just stick to this right here. I used to have the Win like 84, but I gave those to a friend of mine. I messed up and got the wrong size on those, man. They hurt my damn feet when I wear them. So I just gave them to a friend of mine. In the comments section, won't y'all name your top 3 Jordan 11s of all time? You know, just give me 3, your top 3 Jordan 11s of all times. I'll give you mine. Starting with number 1, the Cool Gray. Jordan Cool Grays, man. I love these Jordan 11 Cool Grays. These are my number 1 when it comes to J's and when it comes to 11s. All right, Cool Gray. Number 2, damn, man, it's gonna be, it shouldn't be that tough. Forget it. I'm gonna go with these, a cap and gown, man, because the material on the cap and gowns, man, I think out of all these shoes may be the best when it comes to material, man. This they did a great job with this shoe, man. The uppers is amazing, man. Damn, I love this shoe. I gotta get this my number 2. And number 3, I'm gonna go and say Gratitude. Number 3, man. Damn, I'm gonna say Gratitude. I'm sorry, man. Honorable mention, Win like 96. I love wearing these, man. Let's go see how these look on feet. Let's go. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Man, these shoes hit different, man. I love it. I'm feeling the gold on these shoes, man. Take me back to 2006, man. Your boy had that defining moment pack, man. And I had to wait in line back then, man. I waited in line all night to get those shoes, man. So what say y'all? Are these hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Let your boy know down there in the comment section below. All right, I'm out. Peace.